Hey everyone, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we're exploring the Mentor Slider widget, an advanced product slider built for WooCommerce and Elementor. Easily showcase your best-selling, featured, or new products with eye-catching layouts and dynamic content. It's perfect for homepages, product highlights, or sales sections. This slider boosts engagement and helps drive more conversions by making your store look sleek and professional. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. To begin working with the Mentor Slider widget, type Mentor Slider into the search bar located on the left-hand side of your editor. Once the widget appears in the list, simply drag and drop it onto your editing canvas. As soon as the widget is placed, it will automatically load with its default layout, giving you a ready-to-edit structure right away. Under the Content tab, the first section you'll encounter is Layout. In this section, you can define the item height to control the vertical size of each slide. You'll also find the Image Resolution setting, which lets you choose how sharp or high quality the product images should appear. Just below these, you'll see two toggle switches. These toggles allow you to easily enable or disable the arrows and pagination controls, which are positioned in the bottom right corner of the slider for navigation purposes. Moving on to the Query section, here you can choose from 4 different source types: Product, Manual Selection, Current Query, and Related. Depending on your chosen source, you can then set a product limit to control how many products will be displayed in the slider. This section also includes 2 useful subtabs: Include and Exclude. The Include tab allows you to filter and showcase products based on specific criteria, such as include by, terms, date, order by, and order. Meanwhile, the Exclude tab provides the ability to hide certain items, giving you full control over which products appear and which are left out. Next, you'll find the Additional section, which is divided into 3 subtabs: Content, Badge, and Action button. Under the Content subtab, several toggle switches let you show or hide elements such as the title, rating, review, text, price, category, and text. Just beneath these options, you can also set a text limit to control the amount of text shown for each product. In the Badge subtab, you'll find additional toggles to enable or disable badges such as Sale, Percentage, Stock Status, Trending, and New. You can also configure the Newness Days setting to define how long an item is considered new. Under the Action button subtab, you'll find toggles for displaying or hiding interactive buttons like Add to Cart, Wishlist, and Quick View. Next is the Slider Settings section. Here, you can enable or disable autoplay and set the desired autoplay speed. You'll also find toggle options for pause on hover, grab cursor, loop, and mouse wheel functionality, each of which enhances the user interaction experience. Below these, you can adjust the animation speed to control how smoothly the slides transition. Lastly, there's the Observer toggle. This should be turned on when using the slider inside hidden containers, such as tabs or accordions, to ensure it initializes properly when revealed. These are the basic customization settings available under the Content tab. To access more advanced styling options, head over to the Style tab. Inside the Style tab, the first section is Slider. Here, you can modify the background type, choose a background color or image, and define the border type. Additionally, you can adjust the border radius, padding, and content padding to control spacing and layout appearance. The next section is Images, where you can again set the background type and border type, along with customizing the radius to achieve rounded image corners or other stylistic effects. Following that is the Title section. Here, you can change the title color, the hover color, and adjust the margin to control spacing. You'll also find the typography settings, which allow full customization of the text's visual style, including font family, font size, font weight, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. You can also apply text shadow and text stroke effects for enhanced design. The next section is Text. In this section, you have the option to change the text color and adjust the text margin to suit your layout needs. Just below, you'll find the typography settings, which allow you to customize the font style, size, weight, and other related properties according to your preferences. Moving on, we have the price section. Here, you can modify the color for both the regular price and sale price. Directly underneath, you'll again see the typography settings, giving you full control over the appearance of your pricing text. Tailor these settings to match your desired look and feel. Next is the rating section. Within this area, you can change both the rating color and active rating color. Additionally, you have the option to set custom margins around the rating element to achieve your preferred spacing. After that comes the badge section. In this section, you can fine-tune the border type, border radius, padding, and margin for the badges. You'll also find a setting to define the space between badges. Just below, there's a typography option that you can personalize as needed. At the bottom of this section, you'll find two subtabs labeled In Stock and New. Under the In Stock subtab, you can modify the text color and choose a background type. The same customization options are also available under the New subtab. Feel free to style both badge types to align with your branding. The following section is the Action button. Here, you can set the icon color and background color for the action buttons. You can also configure these same color options specifically for the hover state. In addition, you can customize the border type, border radius, padding, margin, and even adjust the tooltip font to better suit your design. Below, you'll find three subtabs within this section: Wishlist, Quick View, and Cart. Under Wishlist, you can adjust the icon color and background color for the button, as well as those same properties when the button is hovered over. Both Quick View and Cart offer identical customization options. Feel free to personalize each button to match your desired style. The next section is Category. This section contains two subtabs, Normal and Hover. In the Normal tab, you can customize the category text color and background color. You'll also be able to configure the border type, border radius, padding, margin, and space between settings. Just below, you'll find additional options for typography and box shadow. These can be used to enhance the appearance of your category labels. Under the Hover tab, you can further refine the color, background color, and other styling options to create a dynamic hover effect. Now we come to the navigation section. Begin by changing the icon used for the navigation arrows that appear when hovering over navigation text. Next, you'll see two subtabs, Normal and Hover. Under Normal, you can customize the color, background color, border type, border radius, padding, and margin settings. Below that, you can fine-tune the typography and adjust the space between arrows. Under the Hover tab, you can modify the color, background color, and border color, allowing you to create a consistent and engaging hover effect for navigation elements. The next section is Pagination. Here, you can configure the color and active color used for pagination controls. Beneath that, you'll find the typography settings, which you can customize to maintain visual consistency throughout your layout. Finally, we have the Thumbs section. In this area, you can change the background color of the thumbnail elements. You'll also be able to adjust the border type and border radius, and further down, you can set the border color specifically for the hover state. That's it. Once you've added your products and customized the slider to match your brand, just hit save and preview the results. The Mentor Slider widget makes it easy to showcase products with smooth animations, responsive layouts, and dynamic content. Whether you're highlighting featured items or boosting seasonal sales, it's a sleek way to grab attention and improve your store's visual appeal. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you in the next one.